Good morning, kids! Come and join me as we learn English 2, Quarter 2, Week 5. Predicting the story. Pictures, images, or illustrations help us in understanding a story. Sometimes the picture themselves would easily provide us with relevant or background information about a story. They also help us in predicting what the story tells. In this lesson, you are expected to discuss the illustrations on the cover and predict what the story may be about. Can you guess the person shown in the sample book cover above? By looking at it, can you guess or predict the story portrayed in the book? Without looking at the title of the book, the story is about Dr. Jose P. Rizal. The picture helps in predicting the possible story that may be discussed in the book. Now, let us try learning task number 1. Presented below are sample book covers. Predict the possible story that each picture portrays. Write your answers in your notebook. And here are the sample book covers. For this task, we are going to predict the possible story that each picture portrays. And here are the possible answers. For the first cover, the national animal. For the second cover, the ballerina. And the last one, the lonely bird. Learning task number 2. Below are pictures that can be found in book covers. Predict the possible story that each picture portrays. Select your answers from the given choices. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. The choices are A. My birthday celebration, B. Family bonding, C. My singing audition, D. Our family farm, and E. Beautiful butterfly. And here is the picture for number 1. And the correct answer is letter E, beautiful butterfly. For number 2, the correct answer is letter B, family bonding. Number 3. The correct answer is letter D, our family farm. Number 4. The correct answer is letter C, my singing audition. And number 5. The correct answer is letter A, my birthday celebration. Pictures or images are helpful elements in identifying or predicting what the story may be about. Though the text or the title may tell the main story, pictures and images are also helpful elements in predicting what the story may be about. As such, by looking at the pictures or images on book covers, you will be able to predict the story that it tells. Example, if the cover shows picture of a farm, the story may be about a farmer or a farm, including farm plants and animals. Learning task number 3. Match the pictures in column A with the possible stories they may be about in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. For column B, the choices are A. The Brainy Twins, B. My Favorite Playground, C. My Happy Family, D. A Day with My Doctor, and E. Baron the Deer. For this task, we are going to match the pictures in column A with the possible stories they may be about in column B. And here is column A, number 1. And the correct answer is letter B, My Favorite Playground. Number 2. And the correct answer is letter C, My Happy Family. For number 3, the correct answer is letter E, Baron the Deer. Number 4, the correct answer is letter A, the Brainy Twins. And for number 5, the correct answer is letter D, A Day with My Doctor. And now for the assimilation, get one book that you have not yet read. In your notebook, draw the pictures that you can see on the front cover. Then, predict the story that the book may possibly tell. Our next lesson is identifying the title, the author, and the book illustrator. A book provides significant information. With its help, you will be able to gather answers to questions, enlightenment to unfamiliar ideas, and the like. The development of books undergoes a long process. Several people work together to finish and publish books. Some of them include our writers and book illustrators. In this lesson, you are expected to identify the titles, the authors, and the book illustrators, and tell what they do. Study the sample covers below. These are the titles, the authors, and the book illustrators. Based from the book covers above, answer the questions below. What specific information are highlighted above? The information are title, author, and the book illustrators. Do you know how to identify the title, the author, and the illustrator of a book? If yes, very good. But if not, that is what we're going to learn today. Where do you usually see or find the title, the author, and the illustrator of a book? Basically, the front cover of a book provides significant information about it, including the title, the author, and the illustrator. Let us now try learning task number 1. Identify the title, the author, and the illustrator of each given book. In your notebook, complete the table below. This is Book 1, Book 2, and Book 3. And here are the answers. For Book 1, the title, The Game. Book 2, A Day in Our Farm. And Book 3, Bugoy's Painting. The authors are, for Book 1, Ferlin S. Carlos. For Book 2, Carlos P. Zacarias. And for Book 3, Marcel Zarzuelo. For the illustrator, for Book 1, no illustrator. For Book 2, Rienton L. Celis. And for Book 3, Marcel Zarzuelo. Book title, author, and illustrator. A book has a title, an author, and sometimes an illustrator. These details are usually found on the front cover. The title refers to the name of the book. It tells what the book is all about. Some books have one-word title, while some are composed of several ones. Next, the author refers to the writer of the book. Usually, you will know the author of the book as it is introduced by the word author or written by. Next, the illustrator is the one who draws the pictures, images, and/or illustrations. Some books do not have illustrators. In some cases, the author also acts as the book illustrator. The illustrator is usually introduced by the term illustrator or illustrated by. Learning task number 2. Identify what information is shown by each item below. Write your answers in your notebook. For number 1, Storm Surge is the title, and Carissa S. Dimaano is the author and illustrator. For number 2, The Happy Ants is the title. Jessie P. Ruiz is the author, and Eliza Jane S. Lampos is the illustrator. For number 3, My Inspiring Classmate is the title. Elaine Di Marasigan is the author, and Remedios F. Garcia is the illustrator. And for number 4, The Good Doctor is the title. Ferdinand I. Manzano is the author, and it has no illustrator. Learning task number 3. Using the book covers above, complete the table below by identifying the authors, the titles, and the illustrators. Do this in your notebook. For Book 1, the title, Storm Surge. Book 2, The Happy Ants. Book 3, My Inspiring Classmate. And Book 4, The Good Doctor. And the authors are Book 1, Carissa S. Dimaano. Book 2, Jessie P. Ruiz. Book 3, Elaine D. Marasigan. And Book 4, Ferdinand Manzano. The illustrators are, for Book 1, Carissa S. Dimaano. For Book 2, Eliza Jane S. Lampos. Book 3, Remedios F. Garcia. And for Book 4, no illustrator. Learning task number 4. Match the items in column A with their descriptions in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your notebook. Here are the choices in column B. A. good source of information, B. Name of the book, C. One who draws images, and D. Writer of the book. For column A, number 1, title. Number 2, author. Number 3, illustrator. And number 4, book. And the correct answers are B for number 1, D for number 2, C for number 3, and A for number 4. Learning task number 5. Get your most favorite book. In your notebook, draw its cover. Then, identify its title, author, and illustrator. And here is the sample answer. The title of the book is Stanley Scholar. The author is Al Reader, and the illustrator, Joe Eckstein. And for the assimilation, in your notebook, complete the paragraph by selecting your answers from the given choices. The choices are author, cover, and information. And here is the paragraph. A book is a good source of information. The cover itself provides rich information. Some of the basic details that you can see on the front cover include the title, the author, and the illustrator. Until next time, kids!